life, happy life.
Hi everyone! Ayan, talaga ako nagsusuklay. Ganyan-ganyan lang siya. Pupunta nga pala kami ni Calbo sa store. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi si Calbo, pinipilit akong mag-pregnancy test. Pregnancy test since last week. Kasi nga, delayed na ako. And then, yun. Ngayon namin gagawin. Sasamahan nyo kami guys, bumili ni Calbo ng pregnancy test. Anong kasi, mahal kasi dito sa Amerika. Meron kayang ano, tig 1,000 pesos. Tapos meron naman tig 500. Merong mura, kaya lang sabi kasi nila mas maganda daw yung mahal.
Mahal.
Mahal kita. Si Han.
Mahal kita.
So yun, it's not that I am not excited. It's just the first few months that we decided to try. Lagi akong nag-test and it's always negative. So, ayoko nang umasa. Ang sakit-sakit kaya nang mabigo. Ang sakit-sakit kaya nang umasa. So now, so now na late ako, parang gusto ko pang antayin. Pwede ba antayin 2 months para sigurado talaga. So, kaya lang excited si Calbo. Di ba bakit? Kasi papangalan niya daw ay Manny Pacquiao. Kapag lalaki, Manny Pacquiao. Pag babae si Jinky.
Manny Pacquiao.
So yun, pupunta kami sa, are we going to Walmart or Kroger?
Kroger's is closer.
Okay, so pupunta kami sa Kroger, guys. Guys, this is what I'm gonna get. Why is it's put in a grocery store? Why is it put in a why is it put in a box? You have to ask them about it.
I guess they'll unlock it. I guess they're afraid somebody will steal it.
Hi guys, we're home na and I'm gonna try this first response. I actually, when I do this, I always like felt nervous and my hands were shaking and stuff like that. I'm scared that I'm gonna make mistake and not get what do you call that?
The right result?
You
pee on it. How can you make a mistake?
I don't know. I just...
You pee on it.
So guys, pupunta na ako sa CR. Wag na kayong sumama.
You tell them what I dreamed?
Yeah! Calbo dream about that.
I dreamed she took a pregnancy test and
I'm pregnant, and I said in the
Philippines
it's not true because they said that the dream is always the opposite of reality.
I've never had a dream like that before.
So, okay. Napanaginipan na ni Calbo. Ito na yung result. Is it positive or negative? Is it positive or negative, Calbo? So yun, alam na ni Calbo.
Don't put it on me.
So ito na guys, papakita ko sa inyo ha, din kayo na mag-judge. So I will show it to you guys and yes. Ayan. It has 2 lines. Yung isa medyo light and pero di ba ganun naman talaga? And yes, it's positive. Ayan!
Baby Mayweather.
Nabuo na si Baby Calbo. Kaya pala, ang hilig-hilig ko sa... that's why I started eating spicy foods.
Oh, I thought that's why he was grumpy.
Yeah, and then I became so moody and sensitive. And stuff like that. So,
for a few weeks.
Yeah, before filming this, he already told the girls, his daughters and his parents, but I haven't called my parents yet, so I probably called them this weekend. Yeah, because I'm gonna have to go to work. I need to sleep. Yeah. So yun guys, ayan, I am so excited and can't wait to meet my baby.
You got a long ways.
Pero kasi yung
we gotta go to the doctor and confirm it though.
Yeah, sabi nga niya, pupunta pa kami sa doctor. But most of the time naman, di ba, yung home pregnancy test is 99% accurate. Kapag nakakuha ka ng positive, talagang positive. Kapag negative, minsan naman, pag pumunta ka sa doctor, sometimes it's positive. But if you get a positive her, it means it's positive. So, yun guys. And, are you happy?
Yeah,
You
you
don't
need to come up with some baby names. I already got a baby name.
Wala, hindi talaga nagbago ang isip niya. Are you gonna change your mind about Manny?
Naming it Manny? I'm not naming it Manny. Alright, got a name.
What?
It works for a boy or a girl. Okay, one of my favorite bands,
Oh
the
my
guy's
God.
the guy is a bass player. His name is, the band is Motley Crue, but his name is Nicky. You spell it Nikki. If it's a boy, it could be Nicky. If it's a girl, it could be Nikki.
Are you serious?
Right? Isn't that a cool name?
Are you serious?
His name is Nicky Six. Nicky Six Regal.
Ay, nako, si Kalbo. Excited na siya talaga yung excited magpa-vlog tsaka magpa-test. So, yun guys, salamat po. Ang ingay. Thank you so much, and you're gonna be, we will give an update, more update about pregnancy. I'm just worried about my extra small clothes. I can't wear them anymore.
Oh gosh, see now you got a savings. How much you got in your savings? Well, now's a good time for a thrift store.
Thrift store? O nga no, kasi diba, ako kasi hindi talaga ako tabain. So I think after I give birth, I'll be like, go back to this, I hope. So yun guys, I just figured, I think I'm probably going to my 5 weeks pregnancy, because it's been like 1 month and 1 week, and so I have to confirm it with my doctor. He's going to try to make me an appointment this week. Maybe,
yeah, I don't know if
maybe
they
this
probably
week
can't
or
get you
next
tomorrow.
week, and I don't know if they're gonna do ultrasound.
Not yet.
Not yet,
They
so-
usually do about 4 months, I think.
Okay. Wala taga.
Unless they get you like your first picture.
Okay. So yun guys, maraming salamat, and it's just a blessing. We've been wanting and we've been trying. And doon sa mga nagtatry, keep on trying guys. It's just timing, and I think it is really God's will, and He's gonna give it to you. Right?
I guess. Yes.
Yeah, so yun guys, maraming salamat, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Gutom na mi.
Come up with some good names.